Greetings, traders. It is Wednesday, October 5th, 2022. I got a signal on oil, and I had to get out break even on it. Let everybody know that I was going to do that, get out break even. The problem is the markets have gone short. Should pull CL down. And what? My buy stop limit did not get hit on US dollar. Oh, my. Look at that. It didn't get hit. It didn't get hit. I placed a buy stop order on the, well, here it is right here. Buy stop order at 1.42.536, 500,000. And it did not get triggered. It is now at 1.42594. That's well above. Okay, so I messed up on that order. Put a stop limit in. It was obviously too tight. I have to adjust that in the future. US dollar is usually good for at least a good 200 ticks to 400 ticks on the US dollar. So it's a really, really good instrument, and I am now sending it. I just messed up on the entry. I didn't get my entry, and it's going. It's at 619 now, 622. It's just going straight up. So I'm never going to get in. So I'll go ahead and cancel it. All right, that order canceled. Okay, so US dollar had gone long, markets have gone short, and CL is probably going to be dragged down by the market. So I got out break even and made $136 on it basically. So anyway, I'm short NQYM. I skipped the ES. Shouldn't have done that. I didn't anticipate having to get out of oil, and I anticipated getting in US dollar. So anyway, I'll be back to show the outcome of these two trades. I just got messed up. Oil had to get out break even, and US dollar didn't get me in. Anyway, I got these two to ride down a bit here. Okay, since I missed the US dollar long, which it shot way up, it's over 200 ticks now, and the CL not good today. It's not doing what it should be doing. It acts like it wants. It gave a code signal to go long, and it acts like it wants to go long. But the markets are coming down. Usually we follow the markets. Doesn't always do so, but usually always does. So it doesn't look right. Markets should be coming down big today, which should pull down CL. So I don't like it. I had to get out. Anyway, I came in to just show that I did go ahead and take the ES short, since I missed everything else basically. It missed the US dollar, which is what I really wanted to get into. You know, this thing is good for like 400 ticks just about every day. Did you know that? The US dollar is good for like 400 ticks just about every day. Incredible. Okay, I sent out another signal, got another code signal on the dollar. So I took it long, and I'm long right, looking for 200 ticks here, just 200 ticks on this one. I got, it was already up 250 ticks off the last one that I missed, and I'm looking for 200 more here, and then I'll get out. Markets are coming down and looking to make a good size move down here today, because the dollar went code 12 long. So because of that, the indexes are going to make good size moves down here. So going to ride the indexes down, ride the dollar up here a bit, and then I'll get out. I'll be back. Whoever said trading was difficult? Okay, I'm lying. Trading is difficult, but if you know what you're doing, as you can see, you can do extremely well. But you do need to be disciplined, and you do need to know what you're doing and not make mistakes, and which is easier said than done. But that's what you always strive for, you know, not to make the mistakes, and to get good signals like what I send. You know, I send good signals. They work really super good, as you can see for yourself. Anyway, I'll be back. Got to concentrate on the trading. I made two mistakes here on the US dollar. Meant to trade the CFD part of it, and also to go in with more a higher position here. Anyway, I plan to get out 200 ticks, which is 986, 1.42986. And that's for 200 ticks. So I'm just going to exit manually once it jumps up there. So anyway, you could have got 250 ticks off of the first signal that I missed, that you saw me miss. And then I'm going for 200 right here. So in total, it'd be 450 ticks. The dollar does this all the time. Almost every day it does this. It really moves. Dollar really moves. So it's a really good instrument for making money from, for sure. NQ really coming down good for me here. Got $100 on it now, over $100. Looking to probably jump out and take some profit. But as this goes up, it goes down. So I'm just waiting for this to go to my 200 ticks, which should mathematically make. And once it does, you know, I can go ahead and jump out of the others. But actually, the YM still has a long ways to go. And technically, it should catch up to these other ones. So that technically means that it should go even lower, actually, than what it has already gone. So anyway, but profit is profit. I'm getting ready to start to take it. I could have took it at 10,000 right there on the NQ. I just really think this thing's going to pop up. I can get out. It's going to make an even lower low, and then I can get out for even more profit. But a good trade is a good trade, you know. This is all about mathematics. You know, everything that you see me do is about 100% mathematics. And I don't trade without that. Okay, NQ starting to make a move down again. This thing's getting ready to move up. Let me see, what am I going to do? I'm going to take profit on something. Lock some profit in here is what I want to do. You see, I'm not making much on the US dollar, so all my money's in something else. Let me go ahead and take the NQ here. It's just up too much not to take it. And it's going down good. Let me go ahead and take it. We will buy back at market 5 contracts. Okay, I've got locked in 9,700 today. It's probably going to go lower. That's okay. There's nothing wrong with taking profits. I still got the ES to make money on. I still got the YM to make money on. Nothing wrong with taking profits. Let's say that everything just reverses for whatever the reason, and it just starts going way back up again. At least I locked in some profits. You see? And still got the chance to make a lot more money on the ES, and the YM should catch up and get me out for about 5,000. Maybe ES around 6, 7, 8,000. And US dollar, where are we at now? Does it go up there? Oh, it did. Let me get out. Oh, wrong one. Okay, where are we at? Oh, it hasn't quite made it yet. What did it go up to? 976. Hasn't quite made it yet. Here we go. 986 will be 500,000 at market. I am long, so I am going to sell. Okay, take it. Okay, so I'm out for 200 ticks on the US dollar. Could have made 450 today had I gotten filled earlier. And now let's go take a look at everything else. Well, all I have left is the ES and the YM. You know what? I think I'm going to take the profit. No. Don't do that. The dollar's still moving up. Power move here. Most likely, I think what will happen today is that the ES, the NQ, and the YM will probably go code 12 short today, and they'll go down even more. So I could go ahead and you know, gamble it. I'm not going to gamble too much. I'm not going to let this go negative on me. If it goes back up, I will get out before it goes negative. I'm talking about the ES. But if not, if it doesn't go way back up, I'll keep writing it down in anticipation that it could be a big move down today by virtue of the fact that the dollar has gone both code 8 and code 12 long today. It could keep moving up. Indexes will make reverse moves and they will move down as the dollar moves up. I'll be back. Okay, I just made a strategic move and got out of the YM. Pretty much break even. Made a little bit on it, not much. And so what I'm doing now is I'm holding the ES short to see if it will go code 12 short today. Not certain that it will. Yeah, I'm not sure if it will or not. There's a pretty good chance that it will. But there's also a chance it's actually going to go code 12 long today and bounce all the way back up. This is why you take profits when you have them. And then I just got rid of a dog so far today, not really doing hardly anything. ES in big profit, NQ in big profit, but YM not. This could be a sign that it's actually going to go up. This is why I wanted to get out. Still can hold it on the ES, but if this thing continues to move higher and just starts taking more and more and more of my profit, I'm just going to have to bail. Because if it's going to go down, it should go down. And we'll know soon enough because it'll go code 12 short. And once it does that, it'll really go down. So that's what I'm thinking that it's going to do. Hoping that it will do that. It looks like it's going to do that. But anyway, I took the profits on everything. You see how you can just do that, and it just what happens is that it helps you to do better on your exits, not to worry about it so much. Already got profit, and then you could get more. It helps you to relax more in the trade and stuff like that. But anyway, it's a good method that works for me. Okay, I've just called out another signal, and I'm going to go short here on the NQ at 11,366. So just waiting for it to go short. And I could also take the YM, but I don't want to bother. I've already got the ES. I'm just going to take one more here and go into the NQ. I'll be back. Okay, I've decided to go ahead and place an order on the YM as well here to take it short. Might as well. Going to have everything short, NQ, ES, and YM. And they should make a pretty good move down here. So should be able to get at least another $10 on the ES, maybe even 15 or 20. Should be able to get at least $50 on the NQ, possibly 100. You never know, might really drop out. And YM, it's not moving very much today, but should be able to get at least 100 on it, I think. Should be able to get 200 on it, but at least 100. So, but we'll see. We'll see how much it wants to move. Sometimes the YM just starts off slow, but then at the end of the day, it catches up and surpasses everything. Sometimes it can really move, but we'll see if it does anything like that. And technically speaking, though, it should catch up. Should at least catch up to the ES and YM, which are way ahead right now of the ES and NQ, which are way ahead of the YM in its move down, way ahead. Okay, I'm placing a buy stop here on the ES, just in case it wants to come up some more. I'm just going to get out, and then I can take the code 12 short on it. Just reset the order for the code 12 short, because nothing else has gone short yet either. So I could just reset the order and go short with it once the code says it's going to go down. Otherwise, just get out and take what profit I've got there and see what it wants to do. I mean, it is a possibility. It could go code 12 long today. It is possible. So don't want to take the unnecessary risk. And so I'll just take what I've got if it comes up and hits it. I'll be back. Okay, it came up and got me. So I'm out of the ES. And what I'll do now is I'll replace my orders. This thing actually looks like it might really go long here. So I need to take a look at it and see, look at everything. Actually, it really shouldn't go long, but it should come back down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my orders to go back short again. Once the code says it'll go short. Okay, I had canceled all of the short signals. Market is about to go long here. So I've got long signals in on the NQ and the ES. And I'm just going to take those two today. I'll be back. I wasn't recording it, but something happened that I've never seen before. the NQ and the ES, I kid you not, they both went long at the exact same time. I've never seen that one before. So I think that's kind of funny. Anyway, it's gone code 12 long, and I wasn't expecting it to go long. I was expecting it to go short. But the YM had already gone long, and I waited for the ES and NQ to go long to increase the mathematics on the signal. And so anyway, I've got the two entries long here, and I'm not sure how far I'm going to ride them up. We'll see how hot they want to get here, how much they want to move over the next couple hours. See what they want to do. If they get really hot, I may hold them for a bit, or otherwise I'll just take the standard trade on them, which is $10 on the ES, $50 on the NQ, and 100 ticks on the, well, I'm not in the YM, but it would be 100 ticks. Actually, the YM, I think, has already made it almost 100 ticks. No, not quite. Only 60 ticks so far on the YM. Anyway, I'll be back. Okay, I've almost got $10 on ES. Or actually, I think it did go to $10. Let me take a look. Yeah, it did. It went $10. It went up to 88.50. So I've already got $10 on it, but I'm going for more here. Market just creeping up, just sort of inchworming its way up, and I think it could be good for quite a bit more. So I'm just going to give it a little more time and see what it does. I'll be back. Okay, market making a good sized move here. I'm thinking about taking some profit on the NQ here. What are we looking at? How many ticks is that? That's over 50. Over $50 there. I think I'm going to go ahead and take some profit here on the NQ, and then we can see what the ES is going to do. 5 contracts. I'm long, so I'm going to sell. All right, I'll take it. Okay, just take a little bit of profit there on the NQ, and let's go over to the ES and take a look at what we're looking at here. How much is that? It's $15 so far. $15. Yeah, and the YM is way up too. YM went big. I should have taken the YM. 291. Well, not that big. Only about 140 ticks. It looks bigger than what it actually is. All right, let's see here. Am I going to hold it for some more? We're looking at 5 contracts at market. Going to be selling out. I may just go ahead and take it because it's late for me. See, it says 0018. It means it's 12. It's past midnight for me. So I wouldn't mind to just take the trade here and get out. I got like $15 on it now. Just be ready to get out. Maybe I can get out in some strength. Go up a little bit and I can jump out as it's going up. And Q's still going. And Q's still going. I should have hung on to it. I'm just going to take it here. Okay. All right, I'm all done for today. Pretty good trades. Take the market short, take the market long. Pretty good day, 21,150. Missed the US dollar long on the original signal. Caught the second one for 200 ticks. Dollar moving good. It's got to be a good way to trade the dollar out there. I used to have an FXCM account long time ago. Like, I'm not sure exactly, but like 2006 or something like that. And, you know, I don't remember how much it costs anymore. I can't remember, but, you know, you should be able to trade a lot on the US dollar for relatively cheap. I'm not sure how much money it is. And be $10 a tick, I think. So there's ways to trade the forex and do really super good with it. Now, I haven't looked into it in a long time, but I will, and try to find a good way to trade the forex, because this thing moves 400 ticks like every day. I mean, granted, the markets do good too. Markets do really good too, but anybody that likes to trade the forex, that thing really moves. And oh boy, I should have hung on to the NQ and ES, huh? They're really moving. Anyway, good day, good signal, and good profit for today. Never. If you have a really good day, don't think about that it could have been better. Just every day that's a good day is a good day. Always think that way. Anyway, I will be back with some more videos here and there about the signals. Counts up good, signals all working really super good. I'll be back with more videos. Happy trading.